Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to the channel. We're back on the A17, try and catch some Friday movements. Lovely truck there from SDH. And lovely truck there from SDH. So yeah, we're back out again on this sunny Friday. Could do with the verges being trimmed a bit. However, it's good for the wildlife. So yeah, we're back out. We've got a few shows coming up. Some exciting news regarding Tuxford Festival in Holland. Also some road runs coming up. So, as I'm sure it is the same for everybody, the calendar's starting to fill up. And we just all hope and pray that we get some good weather. So some of you might have noticed we've been quite active on Facebook recently. If you haven't joined us there, join us on Facebook, Entkin Media Photos, and you'll see lots of obviously photos, some videos, get some news of what we're up to. Where we're off to. For the Welsh subby snakes. Maritime or Medlog or whatever they are this week. A little calf, rigid this time. The XD for Siva. The Green Group Mercedes there, which I think Pete Osborne has some interest in. Pete Osborne, of course, the old truck show attendee. Used to have a lovely show fleet, some green, red, white. Many of you'll remember Osborne's trucks. I'm fairly sure he's something to do with the green group now. Looks like a transformer, doesn't it? Sprayer. Big Renault for Tradomi. Total aggregates with the Scania 8 wheeler there. Joined by, I think it's our first of the day, the Turners. Clayton Lenton in Boston. Phoenix from Games. So we still haven't got this microphone issue sorted out yet, so hopefully the volume's okay. Hopefully you can hear us, so maybe some of you turn the sound down anyway. But we need to get that resolved fairly soon. Another Turners. You get one and then you seem to get on a roll of them. Just missed the lone Scania heading west there. We'll get this Paul Atherton. Couple of tippers here running together, a couple of Volvo 8x4s, Braden, Len Kirk following, Clements, of course Turners, but looks like a decommissioned trailer there by the looks of it. Had a bit of rain recently, so a lot of spraying gone in the fields. Get those crops fed. Another Turner's DAF 106. Still a good few of these. My opinion, it's the last good truck DAF made, really. I know the HGs are coming on now and the DAF are getting to the bottom of the injector issue, but the 106 was a great truck. If you liked the alarm going off, that was. Ding, ding, ding. Bleacher Levant there from Hampshire. Busy with the live plants at this time of year. Rockley's. See, I'm not sure whether that's an XF or an HG. It's not easy to tell at first glance, and certainly not through a small screen. But here's a Renault coming for GB. With a big double deck top liner on. First day on this Coopers of the day. Homeward bound, hopefully, for him. Back for the weekend. Feet up. Jane J. Ward. I think probably nowadays we probably get more tippers on this road than anything else. Years ago it was all fridges. Used to get the odd tipper, of course, you know, all on the vegetables and the sugar beet, but there's certainly a distinct lack of fridges now. Compared to the past anyway. Coast to coast. Here's a local recovery fleet here in South Lincolnshire. Good net. Not quite sure what they do. I see a few of them. It's not a fleet I know well. See a Knowles approaching there. That's how a fleet should work. As soon as you just see the colours, the livery just works. That's the whole point of it. Branding. Turners. By a wonderful big Scania from Ireland there with a walking floor. It's fabulous in full sun. The sun's went behind the clouds for a little bit. It's amazing how quick the temperature drops. Must be one of the last few fellow Welsh liveried fridges now. Getting fewer and fewer every week. Rainham Steel. Timber. Heading back home to Kingsland. Another plain white one. maybe a farmer's truck. It'd be interesting to know, out of all the daily loads Freshlink send out, how many are actually pulled by Freshlink trucks. Lots of subbies. Kalina, of course. Time for another Turners. Mercedes getting fewer as well in flight. Oh, well, a little eight-wheeler, well, not so little, but little comparison on eight-wheeler beaver tail. Next up's a Renault from Midas. Again, another Spalding fleet. From Maritime. Big old load there. Euro Municipal. So another new fleet on me. Another recognisable fleet, Walkers of Tuxford. Big load of straw heading off to Sleaford. Some pig pens. Reach bets. Two was seen today, so that's good. Nick Brown. Omex posse. It's like another walking floor. There's ADT. MRCT heading back to Suffolk. Big Cranswick boy there. He's got that Friday feeling. Fair play to him. Lovely Volvo there from Richardson. Almost missed it, but just caught it, I think. So yeah, our next trip out will be after the weekend, a couple of days time. Albert back, it's a nice looking trailer. Yeah, not sure where we're heading yet, but there we go. Like everything else, it'll depend on the weather, time and everything else. Yeah, it'll be somewhat different. And then we start getting into shows. As I say, hopefully we can bring you news about Assen soon. We were hoping to get to Belgium to Cine, but it's not going to happen. But there'll be others, and there'll be lots of other news as well. Road sweeper there, Sweet Tech, and DAF 106, wait header, pick up another load of straw. And there's Race Tech, an outside broadcast unit for the horse racing. A couple of them there. A lot of Haulage traffic now, of course, which isn't so much fun when you're trying to crack on the Friday. Maybe Texel. Heading back to collect another load of spuds, maybe. And maybe that's him for the day. Nice Volvo approaching. Bicker. Used to be a singer, wasn't he? Another Volvo with a tanker. CO Max. Max liquid fertiliser, of course. Big round this area. DFDS Volvo. Another truck coming out the truck wash. There's another transformer coming. It's all going on now, isn't it? Goodness gracious me. Another fresh link subby. Howard Tennant's time. There's big flash of lights. Hopefully a subscriber and might see this. If so, have a great weekend, mate. Abbey Group, British Sugar. Citro now, isn't it? Dutch owned. Or Belgian owned, I think, actually. Belgian. Either way, it's not British, sadly. Unlike Salters from Sutton Bridge, who definitely are. Park and Sons. Regular visitors. Freight line there. From Holland, they've got some tidy outfits. That's a load and a half, isn't it? I've no idea what it is. Maybe some of you can let me know, a harvester of some sort. GXO. Breeding Renault. I think it looks much better in the blue than the all white, personally. A tanker. Another CPG. And there's the painted tail that we were talking about. I think it just finishes the tanker off. Lorries from Norfolk. Stay safe, my friend. And here we are. There's Sean. Show winner. What a beautiful truck. Kept immaculate by Mr. Hudson. Getting a bit busy here. That van reversing into his house, which he's entitled to do, of course. But it's a busy road this now. Busy road. There's not many opportunities for a move like that now. Big turners. Shiny. Very clean example, that one. Gosh, the truck's coming westbound here, led by this Turners. I think this tanker's coming in here, so he'll probably pull in front of us and knacker the shot, which is exactly what he's done. Don't know what it is about tanker drivers. They do it every time. There's our friend with the tanker. My registration.
I took the registration.
You have?
Oh, yeah.
So there's our tanker driver heading off into distance. He was a little bit argumentative. He's not here to give his side of the story, so. But needless to say, I don't think he's a subscriber. Each to their own. Weavers. See a lot of them now, especially down at the Sleaford side of town. At Holdingham there, you'll see a lot of them parked up. Pulling in to get the end of week wash. Frigo, giving us a peek and a flash of lights. That was cool. Unusual, but cool. This could be the first aero of the day. TMA bar. It's a tidy one. As you can see, folks, the lighting's disappeared. Friend from Jenkinson's still here on his 45-minute break, so it's all turned pretty quick. Think about wrapping this one up and get back to Enterkin Towers, get on with some more content. Tools from Ireland. Don't see too many of them down this road, so that's a nice addition today. the prize for the loudest horns of the day, Mr. Logan. Beautiful truck. Just caught it the last minute. So on that note, I think we'll probably wrap things up. It's, as you can see, starting to get quite dark. Clouds are starting to group together, which means only one thing: another soaking for the fields. So, as I say, we'll wrap this video up, and thank you for watching. And if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel, it really helps. Join us on Facebook, TikTok, I think we're on Instagram now, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.